Want to see your iPhone screen on your Mac without any extra application to download? If yes, then this video is for you. Today in this video I will show you how to mirror your iPhone to your Mac like a pro. Fast, simple and wireless. Whether you are a developer, content creator or just curious, this guide has got you covered. So let's dive in. iPhone mirroring is a highly valuable tool for developers, particularly mobile application developers like myself. It significantly improves application development in numerous ways. For example, while developing the user interface for a mobile application, I can mirror my iPhone to my Mac and observe how the UI changes appear in real time without the need to repeatedly pick up my physical device. And second one, as a developer, once the feature is implemented, we showcase it to the stakeholder to get the feedback. So using iPhone mirroring, I can mirror my iPhone on my Mac on a large screen and demonstrate the app features easily. This simplifies the communication and help me to get the feedback correctly. Previously, I was using QuickTime Player to mirror my iPhone to my Mac machine. However, it has few limitations. First one, I have to connect my iPhone to my Mac machine through USB-C cable. And second one, even though I was able to successfully mirror my iPhone to my Mac, but I couldn't control it. Means I still have to perform all the operations on my physical device. So it was just mirroring my iPhone on my Mac in a view mode. So that was the problem with the QuickTime Player. But now with macOS Sequoia 15, Apple has introduced a new application called iPhone mirroring. It's a pre-installed application that comes with macOS Sequoia 15 or later. With iPhone mirroring, we can now mirror our iPhone wirelessly and also control it without the need to constantly pick up the physical device. And it works offline as well. So there is no need of an active internet connection. Okay. Now there are some system requirements to make this iPhone mirroring work. So let's go through those. Let me open up the requirement window. So these are the requirements to set up the iPhone mirroring on our Mac. So let's go through those one by one. First one, our computer should be an Apple Silicon or Mac with Apple T2 security chip and should be running macOS Sequoia 15 or later. So this Mac machine is already an Apple Silicon based machine and it's running currently macOS Sequoia 15.1. The second requirement, iPhone that we want to mirror should be running iOS 18 or later. So the iPhone that I will be mirroring is already running iOS 18.1. So we are good with the second criteria as well. Third, the iPhone and Mac should be signed in with the same Apple account. So I already made sure that my Mac machine and my iPhone are signed in with the same Apple account. So we are good with the third criteria as well. Fourth one, iPhone and Mac have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. So currently my Bluetooth as well as my Wi-Fi for my Mac are turned on, and I have already turned on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on my physical device. So we are good with the fourth criteria as well. And our iPhone should be in a lock and near our Mac. So we are good with that one as well. And I'm not sharing any mobile connection or internet connection on my Mac or iPhone. So we are satisfying all the requirements that are required for the iPhone mirroring application. Okay, so let's see how to set it up. To set up, open up the Spotlight search for iPhone mirroring. Okay, so this is the window. It says your iPhone on your Mac. Let's click on continue. It's asking me to enter the passcode on my physical device. So let me enter the passcode on my physical device. It's done. Oh, allow notification from iPhone. Notification from my iPhone will appear in notification center on my Mac even when iPhone mirroring is not in use. So you can choose any option, don't allow or allow, but I will click on allow. Okay, our iPhone mirroring is now ready to use. So let's click on get started. Yeah, we have successfully mirrored our iPhone on my Mac machine. Now I can control my iPhone through my Mac using iPhone mirroring. So I can just swipe through and see what are the applications installed on my iPhone. Then I can even open up the application. For example, like if I open up the notes, I can type some notes using my Mac keyboard. Okay, I can even drag and drop files. For example, this is an image on my Mac machine. I can just drag and drop that on my Notes app. So it's successfully done. Okay, I can even right click. For example, over here I can right click and see all the options that are available when I'm right click on my Notes application. So that's also working properly. Now I'm in the Notes application, and if I want to go to the home screen, I can go over here and click on this icon. So it will take me to the home screen. And if I want to see all the applications that are currently open in the background, I can click on this app switcher and I will be able to see those applications. I can even close those applications. Okay, so that's the best part. And I can even go to the settings part, then scroll using my mouse wheel up and down. So that's also a good thing. So let's go back to the home screen again. Then I can even delete the application. If I, for example, long press on my iPhone, it is giving me an option to delete the application. Okay, I can even add new widgets. Like I can use my iPhone basically the way I use my physical device. Now let's go to iPhone mirroring and settings. Over here I can see the authentication option. Means whenever I try to mirror my iPhone, it will give me two options: ask every time and automatically authenticate. So if I select this first option, ask every time, so whenever I try to mirror my iPhone, it will ask me to enter my password, macOS password, or a touch ID. And if I select the second option, automatically authenticate, then no password is required. It will just mirror my iPhone directly on my Mac machine. So this is the setting, and even I can revoke the access for my iPhone. If I click on this, the mirroring will stop and I will have to reconfigure it again. Okay, so these are the settings. Then if I go to the view options, there are some shortcuts like command 1 take me to the home screen, command 2 will open the app switcher, command 3 will open up the spotlight search. And if I want to make the window larger, command plus is there, command minus to make the window smaller. So let's try these shortcuts. So I'm already on the home screen. Let me open up the another app. Now if I hit command 1, it's taking me to the home screen. If I hit command 2, it's opening up the app switcher. Let me go back to the home screen again. If I hit command 3, it's opening up the spotlight search for my iPhone. That's a good thing. If I press command plus, it making the window size bigger. Let me hit command minus to make it to the normal size. Okay, then I can go to the window option, move the window to left, to right, and to the top option. Okay, so these are the options that we have in the window section. Okay, when we mirror our iPhone to our Mac, there will be a notification that will appear on the iPhone device. So this is a screenshot for that one. And that's it. Using the iPhone mirroring application, we have successfully mirrored our iPhone to our Mac. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. If you have any questions or want to share your feedback, please drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you guys. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding.